avatar challenge. Pick a shirt that is black, red, white, purple, or Halloween themed. Hey, theme. I pick or gray, but only short. Okay. And with these chubby legs. And pick no shirts. Pink shirts or red shirts or orange shirts. Now next, pick your favorite bottom that acquired pink, red, or purple or green. If you don't like the shirt, okay. Put hair that is. If you don't have no Christmas hair, pick your favorite hair. If you don't have blonde hair, pick your favorite hair instead. If you don't have headless, pick your favorite head. And your glasses, except this. Pick your favorite glasses. Oh. Glasses. And use this sound too. I will rate your avatar and rate my avatar too. Bye!